Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sunita from ARTY KRAFTY. Today I have come with this mask of naughty monkey. So let's get started. We need these two A3 size color paper of 160 GSM. Now keep this paper aside. Take this brown one. I have already folded it in half. Then I have divided it into equal 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Now start drawing the shape. Follow me same as I am doing. Okay. Now cut along the line. We have this shape. Keep it aside. I have cut this in 2 equal parts. Okay, take a piece of paper. Now I have already divided into equal 3 parts. We need to shape here. Okay, follow me same as I am doing. And from here to bottom, we need to draw this semicircle up to bottom. One more thing we need to do, double line. Draw the same as I am doing. Okay. Now cut along the line. Now we need to create crease on this line. So I have taken this pointed tool, okay, for creating the crease on this line. Press on the line. Now see, we have this crease here also. Okay. Three centimeter below this line, create a mark and draw a smiley line like that. Okay, and cut along the line. Now we need to make a cut from here, slanting cut. So cut up to here and from here up to here. Okay, just like that. Now we need to make small cuts up to crease. Small cuts up to crease. Now keep this aside. Take another half piece of paper, fold it into half, and again we have to cut into two equal pieces. Now fold it again. So this folded part is there on my right hand side. Okay. Draw the same as I am drawing. Semicircle. Okay. From top to bottom. One more small semicircle. No need to measure. So small semicircle. Just you make sure this part is bigger than this part. Okay. So we have these two pieces of cutout. Okay. Now take this and place this paper like that. Okay, just like that. Place it here and draw this circle. Trace this line. Okay, trace this line. Draw one more circle, leaving a bit area. Keep this mask aside. We need to cut its ear. So we have this piece of paper, fold it in half. Now here we go. From the back side, you attach strips from both sides, and now ready, your mask is ready for skit. Thanks for watching. Hope you like my video. So please like it, share it and subscribe it. And if you have any suggestion regarding this, please write it in the comment box below. See you in the next episode. Bye.